Hey man, do you like coffee? Yeah, I know, silly question. But do you like mezcal as well? Okay, well, what about a drink then, with these two things together? Sounds good? Great choice. And you too, my friend. If you said yes to both of these questions, buckle up, because we're about to make my favorite rendition on the classic Espresso Martini. Let's go. What's up, my friends? Welcome back to the channel. So, do you like coffee? Is that even a real question? I don't know. I guess for some people it is, but probably not for you, because I kind of made it clear in the title, on the thumbnail, even in the intro, and you're still here with me waiting to make a delicious coffee cocktail, and that's awesome. And you know what else is awesome? Mr. Black Cold Brew Coffee Liqueur, the sponsor of today's episode. If you like coffee and cocktails and never had Mr. Black before, you're missing out, my friend. Mr. Black is a cold brew coffee liqueur, and it's made out of only the best ingredients. At Mr. Black in Australia, they are both coffee roasters and distillers, so they really know what they're doing on both sides, and they have full control on what's gonna end up in that bottle. They're using 100% fair trade top beans Arabica coffee. They make a cold brew with it and mix it with a house-made top quality vodka. Then they add just a little bit of sugar for the balance, and that's it. So we have no additives, no fake ingredients for a coffee liqueur that really tastes like real coffee. And one of my favorite features with Mr. Black amongst many is the fact, as I always say, that it is very lightly sweetened. I think this is great, especially when it comes to making cocktails, because you can always add some more sugar if you want to reach your balance, but to take out some sugar of a cocktail, that's nearly impossible. So I love it, and I'm sure you're gonna love it too. And if you want to grab a bottle for yourself, head over to their website. Link's gonna be in the description and the pinned comment below. And if you use my promo code Truffle10 at checkout, you're gonna get $10 off your first bottle. So thank you very much, Mr. Black, for this. Thank you for sponsoring this episode. But now let's make the cocktail. Let's make the Mezcal Espresso Martini. I have been a huge fan of pairing agave spirit with coffee for a long time, and it all started about 10 years ago, back to when I was working in Quebec City with a bartender called Louis West. Louis, if you're watching this, by the way, what's up, my friend? It's been a long time. I hope you're doing good. Louis is Australian, such as Mr. Black, by the way, so I guess they really know how to work with coffee there, because he introduced us to a special espresso martini he learned how to make back in Australia that was made with tequila instead of vodka and agave syrup instead of simple syrup. The whole bar team I was working at went crazy for this cocktail. It even became the standard espresso martini of the bar for a little while, and I must say, even though I love an espresso martini made with vodka, since then I have a hard time going back to the classic recipe. And I didn't even think it was possible, but the first time I tried it with mezcal, I liked it even better. There's something with the smokiness and hearty notes of the mezcal that just goes so well with the roasted coffee. It's literally a match made in heaven. Are you sold yet? I am, I bet you are, so let's do it. What you're gonna need is Mr. Black Cold Brew Coffee Liqueur, Joven Mezcal, freshly brewed espresso, and agave syrup. So first, in a cocktail shaker, we're gonna pour 1 ounce of Mr. Black, 1 ounce of mezcal, 1 ounce of espresso, and half an ounce of agave syrup. If you have a drier palate, you can use a little less, like 1/4 of an ounce will do, but I recommend you use a little bit still, because that really makes a difference in the cocktail. So a little bit of agave syrup. Then we're gonna fill the shaker with ice and give it a good shake for about 10 seconds. We're gonna fine strain it in a chill cocktail coupe. And we're gonna garnish it with 3 coffee beans for health, wealth, and happiness. And there you go, this is how we make the Mr. Black Mezcal Espresso Martini. Cheers. This is so good. What I love about this drink is, as I said, the fact that for me, mezcal and coffee is just a perfect match. And even if sometimes mezcal can overpower some ingredients it's mixed with, here in this cocktail, it's not the case. Both the mezcal and the coffee are shining to the same level. Both are co-stars. None of them is outshined by the other one, and I think that's what makes this cocktail so good. It's balanced, tasty, all the ingredients are in harmony. I love it, and I hope you're gonna love it too. So my friends, this is it for me today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you're gonna give it a try. I hope you're gonna like it. Leave a thumbs up and a comment if you do, and don't forget your bottle with Mr. Black if you want one. Link's gonna be in the description, and don't forget the promo code if you want your $10 off. So now I'll let you go. Thank you very much again. Thank you for the support. I love you, and see you next week. Cheers.